Are you a landlord in Dubai facing the challenge of giving notice to your tenant? As your trusted property management partner in Dubai, we're here to guide you through ensuring your notice process is not only compliant, but also fair and effective. Today, we'll explore the critical legal framework and the best practices for a smooth tenant-landlord relationship. In Dubai, giving notice to your tenant is a process bound by the city's comprehensive tenancy laws. Unlike anywhere else, these regulations ensure that both landlord and tenant engage fairly. Whether it's due to non-payment of rent or the desire to sell your property, understanding these guidelines is crucial. Let's dive into what makes Dubai's approach unique and how it stands apart from practices in cities like Paris. The cornerstone of Dubai's rental relationship is laid by Law No. 26 of 2007, complemented by Law No. 33 of 2008. These laws spell out the rights and duties of each party under the watchful eyes of the real estate regulatory agency, RERA. From rental increases to dispute resolution, they cover it all. Particularly noteworthy are the protections given to tenants against unjust eviction, ensuring a balance in the landlord-tenant dynamic. Eviction before a lease's conclusion comes with strict stipulations. Whether it's due to the property's misuse, non-payment of rent, or required demolition for urban development, Dubai mandates a 30-day notice period. Moreover, in situations demanding the landlord's reoccupation or property sale, a 12-month notification validated by a public notary or registered mail becomes indispensable. This foresight safeguards both parties' interests, embodying Dubai's commitment to fairness. Navigating tenant notices in Dubai's dynamic real estate landscape requires a deep understanding of local regulations and a commitment to fairness. With Upperkey's expertise in property management, landlords can confidently manage their properties, ensuring compliance with Dubai's stringent laws. Remember, in the complex world of real estate, knowledge and the right partner can make all the difference. With Upperkey, your journey through property management is in capable hands. Thank you for tuning in. For more expert advice on real estate management and to stay updated on Dubai's legalities, subscribe to our channel. Let Upperkey be your guide to property management excellence in Dubai. Like this video to support our mission of providing clarity and assurance to landlords across the city.